Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth. 98% of it is covered in ice. But under that ice, there are mountains, valleys, and deep, hidden caves. Is it just ice? Since 1959, no one is allowed to explore Antarctica freely. The Antarctic Treaty controls everything. Why? They say it's for environmental protection. But what are they really protecting? In 1986, an Argentine pilot reported something strange. A massive, circular hole in the ice. No photos, no news, the story disappeared. Was it a portal, a secret base, or a door to the unknown? Antarctica is full of meteorites, more than anywhere else on Earth. But there's more. Fossils have been found. Strange skulls, long, stretched, just like the skulls in ancient Egypt. And South America, certain Ds. Satellite images show pyramid-shaped structures. In the ice, perfect angles, perfect shapes. Are they natural, or the remains of something ancient, Atlantis, or something older? In 1956, U.S. Navy Admiral Richard E. Byrd said, "There is a land beyond the South Pole, a vast area bigger than the United States." But after his mission, everything changed. Access to Antarctica was shut down. Why? Antarctica might not be what we think. It could be Earth's black box, a vault of ancient secrets, forgotten civilizations, or something not human. What do you believe? Just snow and ice, or the biggest cover-up in history? Comment below, subscribe, and get ready for next week, when we reveal what sailors saw beyond the ice wall.